How's it going, everybody? It's been a while since I've taken a little ride. This road's still closed. 236. Surprised it's still closed. Not sure why. Well, let's see what it looks like. I had a whole 4 miles before it's closed. But yeah, what's gone on? It's we had a pretty wild windstorm. Dropped a pretty sizable branch on the roof of my house. Firewood is falling from the sky. Didn't cause any damage though, just left quite a bit of cleanup. And man, my visor is fogging up here. As you can see, it's pretty wet. It's rained the past couple days. It's gonna continue raining, but there's a little break in the rain, so I figured I'd take advantage and go out for a little ride. Obviously, I'm not putting my knee down around any corners. Just gonna putt around on a little exploratory mission to see what this road looks like. It's been closed since the fires. I know the buildings at the Big Basin National Forest burned down. Sure, that's part of it. Not sure if that's the whole reason or what, but yeah, what else? Got a new laptop. It's nothing crazy, but should be able to handle a little bit editing a little bit better, so I bumped up the resolution on the camera. Not all the way up to 4K, but just up to 1440. Let me know if you see any difference. Who knows if my computer can handle it still. If you're watching it, if you're watching this video, it worked out. I can't hardly see the road though. Fogging. Gotta stop talking. Oh yeah, the windstorm knocked out my power for a few days too. Just got that back. Another few days without power. Mountain living. Alright, also the day after the windstorm, all the roads out of Boulder Creek were closed. I think there were some ways you could still get through, but you really had to go out of your way to get the heck out. Pretty wild. And but before I knew that all the roads were closed and I was trying to head out, I rode over some branches on the ground and got a flat tire, of course. Look at that. You can see fire ripped through here, obviously. It's nice and sunny on account of the fire. At least sunnier than it usually is, anyhow. Yeah, I've never seen this much sun through here. All these charred trees. Pretty interesting. Definitely swept through here. on the lookout for little dirt roads. Never seen so much sun up here. Alright, looks like here's the turnaround. They went all out. Paved turnaround. Closed due to hazardous conditions. Well, if you were wondering what it looked like out here, there you have it. Sure, I could get around if I wanted to, but all in this one here. Hopefully I'll be out again soon. Until then, see you guys next time. Like and subscribe.